commanding. He is instructing.
As a matter of urgency.
Can you imagine choice of words? Right thing done at the wrong time, right thing done in the wrong way, right thing done in the wrong manner can be sinful. Nekono enka devoid of all we know enka at the thread and compass was president.
Yeah.
But the way and the manner of Sreno Krano, Emma President Ninjuntu. He could have found a more humble way. I'm not in any way suggesting it's not humble. But he could have found a more humble way to appeal to the president and say, well, you may have all the facts, but for the development of Asenov, and by extension the entire citizenry and the MPP supporters in Asenov developing MPP supporters being home for so into Mampenyi, Mr. Wendy Demo, Ebia would debate, Ebia show. So that only contempt of court, only liable for contempt of court. Ebia udibim, Ebia say, but at the threat, any demo, odi fache, temper justice with mercy. Enka obia civil society do obia bekebiama, I support to the ohine no kind. But this one it looks like the in his capacity as High Court judge, he's commanding, and nobody will take it. Nobody will take it. Oman Penny say, well, if you feel you are a High Court judge and you are and you are not pleading, you are commanding me to do this. I leave it to the court. Whatever decision they come out with, maybe Oman Penny, it doesn't make a what can cancel any influence. And at the bar at a point now, he say, well, you simply so I can say Motumano Kwako Daje, Oman Penny and Casada. The man penny car say, Papa say, or when no quack that jail club or quack and original so Ediaka say,
don't misquote me.
Me pacho okay, man penny
say, or man penny say, one pempia, the original court, or no, the Indian court.
Pacho okay, my papa type of phone.
And no, now can't say no, the Indian court.
There be an uncle, don't go there. Until let's say the record street. What can one commentators be breaker? NDC, a supporters be breaker, or man penny casada, evidence no idea to say,
Mankasa wankasa me nam se
mankasa o kasa
me se mankasa wankasa
ndu patches o
me nam se mankasa anti
ndu patches o kasa
stick to that
Ghana fo nyina nti ase se o mampanyin kasa da papa na na say obedi for akogye okura obe win election no mampanyin say man to aba ma obi a obe win no akogye said the ono ankasa admit me mo to obi a obe tra parliament na wa serve interest etigovi papa no started so kasa Dormaahene na me pese na oya win me na me pese me supporting the corner but finfin ekosi awie no na mo say command you don't command they be you can commander there commander in chief there no man penyin no yet he's not commanding Supreme Court or anybody so you don't sit as a chief to command the president. You could have pleaded na yina kebiama but the way I see presenting the case there though the substance of what he's trying to say president temper justice with mercy, but we didn't see that connotation as our commander president. The president will not fall for a command. As I just say, the capacity as commander in chief no crano, we're losing the guard. And I think that I will also advise the president, just as the chief was advising. He said, President, Emma Court, and determine because
exactly. I think that legally the